Today I thought I'll try to improve my audio and video quality. Yes, as you're looking at this, it's not the greatest looking piece of video that you've ever seen in your life because my lips aren't matching the video. And in order to see that, I'm going to clap my hands and you'll see that is really out of sync. So, one thing I thought, let's see if we can make it a little bit better. Now, in order to make it better, I've just started to do my screen recording. I'm going to stop the screen recording and I'm going to see how badly the audio and video are out. So here I'm just watching my hands clap together and see if the audio waves line up. Okay, so in order to fix that, the way it works for me is for whenever I'm recording, I'm going to be using my camera. I'm going to be using my iPhone as the camera. And for the audio, I'm going to be using the Yeti microphone. And yeah, they're both ready to go. Because I've looked at this before, I'm gonna just offset the time by 50 milliseconds. Now this might be different for you, but it's just what I use. So at the moment, I'm thinking this is pretty good. My audio is a little bit more in sync. I'm gonna clap my hands here. And you see that this is a little bit better in time. So that's pretty much my thoughts for today. And yeah, if this is going to make my life better whenever I'm doing my recordings, then that's great. Because what I had previously been doing is I've been recording my audio and video separately. My video was going through my iPhone, and my audio was recorded either directly into QuickTime using my microphone, or I'm gonna be using this DJI mic to. I mean, whatever gets the job done, that's good because there's nothing like being able to see what you can. There's nothing as long as you're able to get your content out. That's the main thing, and I think this will make my job a little bit easier. Yes, there might be a little bit of tweaking that needs to be done, but we'll soon see how it goes. Anyways, hope you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.